Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, I am Srinidhi V Prabhu, first year medical student in Bangalore Medical College and Research Institute. As we all know, we have last 1 week remaining for NEET. Now is very crucial time for us to revise and recall all the important things that we have learned in last 2 or more years. In this video, I will talk about how to utilize this last 1 week properly and try to get more marks in NEET. With only 1 week remaining, I don't suggest you all to solve mock tests daily. Now is not the time for that. Now you have to recall all the important things that you have read in last 2 years. Now you have to recall all the important things that you have read throughout your preparation. Starting with biology, you can easily cover NCERT biology once or twice completely. Remember, you are not reading NCERT biology completely. You are just refreshing your memory as you have read it plenty of times before. So please try to refresh your memory by going through each and every chapter of NCERT biology. I don't suggest you all to solve too many problems now. Time is very crucial, so please don't waste it unnecessarily. If you want to solve problems, you can solve previous year problems of that particular chapter. But please don't try to solve too many problems. As I told, time is very crucial. For organic chemistry, you have to recall all the named reaction and named reagent and some important mechanisms, and don't forget to recall variation of properties. For inorganic chemistry, you can easily go through the NCERT of inorganic chemistry once and try to be thorough with that. Try to recall all the important reactions and properties. For biology, organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry, just stick to the NCERT. Please don't go after any book other than NCERT. Just stick to the NCERT and that will be enough. If you have made notes, please go with that and you can solve previous year problems for every chapter and stick to the NCERT. That's the main thing now. You have to be thorough with NCERT. As we have only 1 week remaining, you have to utilize the time properly and be thorough with what all you have learned in past 2 or more years. I think I am pretty clear here. Just stick to the NCERT. For physical chemistry and physics, you have to go through all the formulas of every chapter and solve the question which you have marked as important. If you have done that, or else you can solve previous year question of every chapter. Certain chapters requires theory knowledge too. I have mentioned those chapters in my previous video. Please check them if you haven't yet. It may help you all. For those chapters, try to go through NCERT for theory part. I think by now you have got an idea like how questions are coming in NEET for every chapter. If you think a particular concept is important, go and read them. But please try not to burden yourself with reading so many things. Don't panic now if you don't remember something which is important. Believe me when I say everyone will be going through the same thing. It depends on you if you panic now. Your rank and your marks and your final rank depends on how well you manage this fear, panic and the exam pressure. You have come so far. It's just one step now to get where you belong, to get into your dream college or to get into MBBS. Don't lose hope on yourself and don't forget to treat yourself better. You really have to take good care of yourself. Eat well and sleep well. I really can't emphasize enough on importance of sleep. Guys, please take at least 5 to 6 hours of sleep daily. Please don't compromise on your health with all the exam pressure and fear going on. At the end of the day, what matters is your health and your well-being. Please don't forget that. Everyone will be having fear and pressure, but please don't forget to take care of yourself. Don't worry too much and neglect sleep. Exam day will be just another day where you'll be taking mock test as you used to take it in home. So please don't try to panic and get afraid. Chill guys, don't worry much now, you can do it. I will see you all in my next video. Till then, keep revising and don't forget to take good care of yourself. Hope you all liked this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. If you have already subscribed this channel, thank you for your support. Keep supporting and keep motivating me to make much more videos like this. Thank you. Have a great day.